Hey guys, this is Ashutosh Nirmal and today I'm gonna unbox Amazon Fire TV stick. Before starting the video, if you're watching my video first time, subscribe to my channel for more tech related videos and hit the bell icon so you'll get notification when new videos uploaded. Let's start. First, check the details on the box. At front, we can see some apps available on this stick. On the right side, you can see the MRP, that is Rs 3,999. It's also available for the same price, but sometimes you'll get this on Prime deals. Besides that, show the contents available in the box. Backside, some features are listed like it's portable. It says no buffering, but for that you needed at least 4 Mbps net connection. Remote comes with voice search. On the right side, there are some other features listed like remote have voice search, Dolby audio, supports Wi-Fi, Full HD display, and this stick also have quad-core processor for smooth running. Below that are listed contents in the box. Below that, device requirements like you needed at least 4 Mbps Wi-Fi connection and any TV with HDMI input. At the bottom, support website. Let's open the box. First we get a black box. In the box, first we have device manual. Then we have warranty card. Then 5-volt adapter to power the stick. Batteries for remote. USB to micro USB cable to power the stick. HDMI extender. Here's the stick. There's Amazon logo. That's micro USB slot for power. Last thing is this remote. So here's everything that comes in the box. Just connect this cable here and you are ready to use it. But if it won't go into the TV because of the other connections, use it with this extender. Now you can easily connect this. Just insert this in your TV's HDMI input. When you first connect this to your TV, it will start automatically. Press home button on remote to pair. Select language. Connect with your Wi-Fi. After successfully connection, it will download latest firmware. Then it will restart. It will take 10 to 15 minutes to install the software. This stick is already registered with my Amazon account. You can also change your account. I'll just continue. You need to set up everything here like Android mobile. Now it will tell you some functions of the device.
Quick tour of your new Fire TV stick. Now you can watch your favorite shows and movies just by talking to your remote. Simply press and hold the microphone button and ask for a title, actor, director or category like this, Life of Pi. How about a show? Bosh. The remote makes it easy to browse through episodes and recommendations. Just use the outer ring to navigate and press the center button to make your selection. You can also use your smartphone as a remote. Download the free Fire TV remote app from the App Store.
Now you can choose apps to install or you can install them later. Here's the home page where you can see apps with cloud symbols, that means they are available to download. Let's go to settings. First we have notification, then network, etc. Here you can pair additional devices with stick. Now we go to about section. Here you can see 5.39 GB memory is available. Here you can check for updates. Let's play some content. First time when you play any content, it will buffer for some time. But after some seconds, it will go into full HD mode. I need to remind you that you needed good internet connection with minimum 4 Mbps speed for HD playback. This is just unboxing and setup. I'll post in-depth review soon. If you want to buy this, I'll leave the link in the description. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions about the product or have any suggestions, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer it. See you next time. Till then, take care. Goodbye.